Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm sure it's not many people here right now. I know I got a couple of friends that's going to show up in just a few moments, so let me get a few things straight on here. My name is Israel, aka Izzy the Whizzy. I day trade via Apex Trader Funding, which I have right here on this laptop, and I also day trade demo here. I mark up all my stuff here in TradingView. Um, don't really want to waste time doing the intro right now. Um, but the markets, I usually get my setup around 10 a.m. I look for a certain setup around 10 a.m. And I want to show you guys live right now while we live on the paper trading right here. I'm going to be paper trading for legal purposes on this YouTube live. I'm not a financial advisor. Uh, I do this on the side to make a little extra income via my small personal account and Apex Trader Funding. Um, but as you see, if we go to Trading Journal right here, you'll see my account history. Have way more wins than I have losses. This is for the month of September. But I'm about to reset this. I went from 100,000 up to 108,000. All right. So we're gonna reset this live just to show that I do know how to trade. Do my emotions get the best of me sometimes? Yes, absolutely they do. So am I gonna lose live on camera? Absolutely. Am I gonna win more? I should. I plan to win bigger and to lose small. So this is a decent intro of who I am, but I'm going to do a video and explain who I am, how long I've been doing this, who I learned it from. And shout out to Oliver, to ICT, to Leo. Those are my three mentors that I've subscribed to over the years. And they all help equally. They all help me. So thank you. With that said, let me see if I can reset this real quick. Let's just do, I don't want to log out. Let's just do reset. All right. So that way, today is September the 11th. Definitely rest in peace to everybody who lost their life on September 11th. That's when I hear that date, I always think about that tragic event because I was in school, I was in high school, and that shows my age right now. When that happened, I remember watching the second plane hit the tower live on TV. And it started my whole school. We got out of school early. We didn't know if World War III was starting. We didn't know what was going to happen, but definitely prayers up for the families that was affected during that tragic, that lost their lives, that lost loved ones. Definitely. So with that said, y'all, I'm going to go through and delete everything I do have on here real quick. My setup is not here yet. I'm going to explain to you guys what my setup is, though, eventually. Let's remove all these drawings. And you know what? Never mind. I don't have to remove those because it has my structures and fair value gaps for the daily. So let's go right here. You guys get to see exactly how I mark up my charts. But most importantly, I think it's important that you guys get to see if I trade correctly or not. Entries, exits. I think that's more important than just marking up charts. So I got my templates here. I'm going to explain all this stuff eventually. All right. Let's see. I should have did this before. I had trouble getting on today. I'm not some new kid on the block that don't know how to work YouTube, but the stream key was giving me issues this morning. So, but luckily I still got on by 10 o'clock. So it's 10 now, so we're good to go. I started on a 15-minute chart. I've looked over everything. We're right above this fair value gap on the daily. I'm going to explain all that good stuff to people as they ask questions and come in. But I day trade every day, guys. The reason why I started this YouTube channel is because I got a group on Telegram that we bounce ideas off each other for free, and we day trade in there, and just help each other out. It's like a us against them thing, them who are them, the big money. Not really against them. really just kind of riding that coattail. Can we find nice setups? I mean, that's the goal. This is actually where I should go short at. That's what I'm thinking. If it comes back up here, this will be my entry. But I still haven't seen what I'm looking for yet. Yeah, I will look for a sell maybe right in here. Let's see. On the 2-minute chart. In between these yellow lines, I'm looking to go short. So let me move this box up and make it purple. That's my fair value gap. I just do it like this. And I don't know, I don't see anybody in the room yet because I'm not looking at the stats. I don't really care if I get 5 or 5,000 people in here. Probably won't get nobody this first day, I'm guessing. But if you're in here, let me know if you can hear me. I'm about to check the chat right now in just a minute. This is more so for my journaling. I mean, YouTube, you get to have unlimited cloud storage, so I don't have to pay for Google, even though Google now owns YouTube. Shout out to everybody that drinks green tea. It's become my favorite energy drink. It's my coffee for the morning, I guess you would say. But this area right here is where I'm looking to go short. So we'll see if it comes back in and balances out price right here in this area. And just to be honest with you, I can even set an alert right here. Let's go right here and say, by the way, I trade, today I'm trading, as you see in the top left-hand corner, I'm trading MNQ, which is NASDAQ 100. It's the micro E-mini. And it might be that I need to switch over. This might be a terrible day to start trying to show, because the contracts rolled over here on Apex Trader Funding. It rolled over to the new contracts. Let's see what's going on here. This would be my last day trading. It looks like with this one. Let's see. Let's change this to MENQ. So we should be in a Z now. Let's see. I'm about to lose all my drawings, but it's no big deal. No big deal. So I was going to lose my drawings anyway. Look at that, y'all. All right, so let's do that again real quick. I was more concerned with trying to go live at the right time. My dad is ex-military, so, he tell folks, when you're going to do something, you do it. I wasn't going to say, well, I didn't go live today because I was having stream key problems and the contract switched over and, nah, I'm going live today. If God is willing, I'm going live today. So here we are. Same exact thing. I will eventually explain this, I promise you. No worries. Today, I just wanted to, get used to being on camera, get used to talking, get used to answering anybody that might come through. Hopefully you guys don't troll me. It's not going to scare me off, though. I just block you. I'm looking for good energy, good people to come in and just, join a community with me. Let's see, Asian, yeah. And let's go right here. Let's refine this real quick. See, it don't take but like 30 seconds to get it right back like I had it. Holding down shift on TradingView, guys, works wonders. All right. holding down shift on trading view. Usually go to about 11. My trading day is from 10 to 11. I used to be all over the place. I used to trade Forex. I used to trade crypto. If it said you can make some cha-ching, some money, I was there, you see. And that's the wrong way to be, okay? Exact wrong way to be. You really want to stay to one thing and make that thing your bread and butter. That would be my, teaching advice this morning. This one little setup is how I take care of a family of 4. Yeah, so it's 4 of us in total, but 3. So my wife and 2 kids. And I'm a stepfather of 2. A happy stepfather of 2. So let's see. Let me see if you guys are in the chat. Because I don't see. Let's see. I'm not even on YouTube. There we go. Let's read. Let's see if this plays out loud. I happy stepfather too. So let's see. All right, good deal. Let's look and see what we got going on here. What I'm seeing so far, y'all, is I'm seeing choppy up-down price action right now, just kind of right here in this area. It's kind of consolidating right here. I would like to see a run up to this purple box before I sell it. That's what I really like to see. But let's see. I used to get stuck on my analysis, like what I think should happen, what should happen because we've been bullish or we've been bearish. And now I just trade what's on the chart. It's just that simple. Like right now, this got my interest now. This would be woulda, coulda, shoulda. This would be, I hope it comes back up here. And it just might well do that, and rebalance price. But I did this from the 2-minute chart as far as just getting very refined. And actually this whole area right here, this whole area would be a nice sell area for me. But on the 5-minute chart, and this is 10-10, we're looking like this would be the area. But I don't know how big of an inefficiency gap is going to leave, a fair value gap. So we're going to draw this purple box as price prints. That candle printed at 9:35, so that was the infamous ICT Judas swing. That's what that was right there. Yep. And that would have been a good little. I'd have been done already, really, because I'm only going to get a few points today. Yeah, I'd have been done. I'll probably get about 30 points, God is willing, and get on out of the way. That's what my goal is. I always get it. Just a few points and get out of the way. I don't try to. I'm not Michael Jordan. I'm not Kobe Bryant. I don't try to. I'm not the star. I just get a couple of dollars and get on out the way. I'm more like a Larry Bird or a watered down Dennis Rodman because I got crazy hair, but it's not colorful. Look at me. Yeah. Keep things very simple. As I get more people coming to the live stream and I start to build this community right here. I have a cousin named Labaris LB, is what we call him. He day trades. He's a great day trader. He's new at this and he's already doing awesome. I got a friend named Clinta. I got a friend named Matt Romero. We're all in Telegram groups. Then I got their friends, their cousins. we just basically been bouncing ideas off each other for a while. So I decided, you know what, let me just go YouTube live with it. Let me just go YouTube live and see what happens, and that's why I'm here. I figure we can build an even bigger community and not keep it a secret. I mean, this information is all over the place, but let's see. So far, I will be looking for an entry right in here if this don't fully balance. So let's get my quantity together. Not that. All right. And then I want to go ahead and get my short thing together. So just to see where I would be at if I go for a 2-to-1. So far, this is looking like I'll be entering in here. That's what it's looking like. We started this live at like 9:59, so I was like a minute or two early. I have advertised on the top of my YouTube that I'm live on camera from 10 to 11. But as soon as I get my trade and I exit, I'll probably stay here another 10, 15 minutes and just talk markets. But because I know me and I know what my weaknesses was over the years, I don't want to see another setup and jump back in and lose my profit. So if it don't last to 11, I apologize what I'm trying to get at. Like once I get my couple of points that I'm looking for, y'all, I'll pretty much stay here and chat with anybody as we build this community up. But I'm going to leave and go cut grass or, go get my hammock, go read my Bible, which I keep right beside me right here. My wife must have moved. Oh, there it is. I was going to say my wife must have moved it. But yeah, go in the hammock, go read my Bible here, go reflect on life. Because I asked for a certain amount of abundance, a certain amount of, health and wealth and relationships and friendships. And God has given it to me. So once he's given me what I asked for, you just got to get on out of the way. And that's why if I get my setup before, if I'm done by 10:30, I mean, I'll probably be here to 10:40, answer some questions as the community builds up. But I don't see myself just sticking around and staying here to 11 just because, you see. So 10 to 11 if I haven't had my full setup. So let me go to OBS is what I'm using, y'all. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. If there's anybody in here. Well, my brother's shirt, I like his shirt. It's called Doubt Me, I Love It. He got Established is the apparel. Established.com. XSTA. The rest of it is regular Established. Let's see. Live charts. Okay, so let me go right here real quick. Let me show you guys. I'm seeing this as well. Let me take this fade off. Let's just do cut. Y'all see that? Let me make sure. Okay, good. Thank you, cuz. I see my cousin here, Laboris is here. He's probably the only one that's gonna be here today. The only one. And I'm okay with that. This is the first day I didn't advertise it. I'm just trying to see organically without using my stage name, because I have a professional job on the side, y'all, that I do, and I don't even want to mention that on this channel. So I just want to see if I can reach day traders without using my name from the stage. I do music. That's all I'm gonna say. I do music. Okay. I see Cuz is here. LB is right here right now. That's perfect. Perfect. Thank you for being here. Me and LB, we back and forth with it. you know. So here we go. I think this is about to be my entry. Yeah, this is about to be my entry for sure. I'm thinking. So anywhere in here, this is what I'm gonna do then. I'm gonna go ahead and hit sell limit. Let's drop this down right here. And my stop loss would be right above this box. My take profit. So here we go. Let's see what we got here. So as you guys see on the screen, I am risking, let's get this off. Let's go back to OBS. Let's get off this. That's my 3 charts, which is my 15-minute chart of Dixie, the dollar, and of NASDAQ, and of S&P 500 E-mini micro. So we at a spot now, y'all, where I'm just waiting for price to tap me in. Bingo, it tapped me in. Okay. So we'll see. We'll see if I'm right about the direction and right about my stop loss and about my take profit. But as y'all see, I'm only risking 320 to make 635. Okay, let's make that even 640. Exactly 2-to-1. I'm very particular. There we go. So we'll see. Got some a little bit of drawdown right now. That's what I call this. When price goes above, the area that it was gonna rebalance. I'm in the short right now, LB. I hope you're in the short right now. In your demo trade, because I'm not a financial advisor. So we just demo trading. All right. That's all we're doing right now. And y'all seen I put it on paper trades, so we good. It's no big deal. I just reset this to $100,000. And I'm gonna keep this account. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. You know what? And I don't mean to do this, but I am supposed to put it above candle 1. So my bad, y'all. That is supposed to be the risk to reward. So let me see. As you've seen, I had a lot of stuff going on this morning. Your stop loss should be above candle 1. That's a rookie mistake. My bad, y'all. And then this should be, if that's 17, this should be 34. All right, here we go. This is my take profit. So here we go. It's a big difference. All right. Sorry about that. That's my mistake. And I just talked to my friend Matt Romero about that the other day. He was like, D-Lo, if you put in your stop loss just right above, and I always go above the candle that got me in anyway. I got a shout out to Oliver. Oliver, he taught me that, if you lose the candle that got you in, you pretty much should get on out the trade. So as you see, I got it right above the candle that got me in, and that's above candle 1. I got a 3 candle pattern that I trade. This would be candle 1, which is the 1005 candle on the 5-minute chart. This would be candle 2 that created the fair value gap. And then candle 3 that actually showed me how big the fair value gap is. All right, so, and that's the 1015. So 1005, 1010, and then 1015. And as y'all see, we up $110 so far. But not to get excited, because I've seen things turn around before. I've seen things shoot to my take profit before. So we just sip on some green tea and relax. Literally though, I'm gonna tell y'all, this kind of trading that I do, I could literally go cut grass right now. Like, I'm good. If I lose 520, I'm good. I'm not rich, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with these risk parameters. I know that my strategy that I've been trading for a long time is going to pan out to where my losses are not going to soak up my wins, because my wins are bigger than my losses, 2-to-1. You see? If I did lose this trade, let's just talk what ifs. I would be looking for an entry up here at my initial, if it did take my stop loss out on this trade right here. I'd be looking for a re-entry way up here. And we'll see. While this is rolling, let's take a look at the dollar. The dollar is very bearish right now. We need this to crank on up so we can drop. If you guys never knew, we are polar opposites to the dollar. You can still see my profit and loss right here if you want to know what the trade is doing. Let's see. My bad, I'm tending to my Apex broker thing over here too. Give me 1 second. Alrighty. So I am just now, what I'm doing, the drawdown I'm seeing here, I am entering slowly but surely over here. Let's see. Oh yeah, I gotta type this in. As y'all see, I was not prepared to be on live today, but it's all good. No biggie. I'm gonna take wins on camera. I'm gonna take losses on camera. I'm not gonna try to hide anything. It just is what it is. All right, so I'm all the way green on Apex because I entered in, around this area here. So I'm gonna take a way smaller loss if I take a loss on my Apex trader funding. Let's see what happens. Looking like it's gonna shoot on up, but you never know. I've seen the next candle come in and just shoot right back down, and it's like whoa, and you almost get ready to slit your own wrist, So we'll see. So looking like it is going to go ahead and shoot up, but we'll see. But if it does, what I'll do is look for a re-entry up here with half of the risk. Excuse me. See? But I mean, it could shoot on back up, but we'll see. Wow. I mean, not to get too excited, but I mean, it could turn back around again, but we'll see. I'm just saying, I've seen this happen before where it gets so close to your stop loss. And I'm okay. If it goes back up, hey, no big deal. You know, I'm in great profit in the Apex right now. Shouldn't probably be showing you guys this, but it's looking really good on Apex. It's like $200 per account. I don't have as many contracts on Apex. And I think because it's a Monday, I'm going to get out of Apex pretty soon. What we got? 15,503. All right, so we got the take profit set the same way on both, except I'm in much better profit over here. I'm not in no profit over here on my demo, because I got in on Apex like when it shot up, I was entering. So I'm slow to enter in on my, funded accounts. And my new challenges I've gotten with Apex. So I'll leave my link to Apex if you guys want to check out Apex as well. I think I get like $2 if you guys sign up. I'm an affiliate. Haha. Now I'm like $3.50 per account on Apex right now. But on here I'm only $95.85. I'll show you guys. Let me see if it shows you. Yeah, I'm over $400 per account. I got like 5 or 6 accounts here. It's all green. 505 per account on Apex now. I wish I can show you on this screen. On Apex, I'm up 27 points. I normally go for about 30, but I'm going to go ahead and just stick to the script, see if we can hit our take profit down here. Oh, let me check my chat. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got to get used. I don't know. LB, I don't know if you hit me up on here. Let me see. LB, yes. We sold. We sold. Yes. Yeah, so if it's new people that comes in, anytime you see the black up top here, this is my stop loss. And then the blue is my take profit. So if I was buying, it'd look the opposite. So if we was going long, the blue would be up top like this here. So, and I'll do 2 for 1. It would be like this. That would be my long. My stop loss is this area, and my take profit is this area. Okay. Let's see what the dollar is doing. Okay, yeah. So the dollar's starting to rise up now, so we can drop. Hopefully. Let me go ahead and add this to my arsenal. Let's get rid of the old. Yeah, let's get rid of the old MNQ. All right, and let's get rid of. Now I want to keep that one. I just add this right here. MNQ Z. All right. So y'all are seeing this. Let's put a blue. Yeah. All right. And I'm gonna say one thing why this trade is running. Most of my my trades now, y'all, I like to have limit orders. I like for it to just be how can I say it? I don't like hitting market execution, and I'll explain the difference in that too. I like for price to come to an area to put me in. I like that. I feel like I'm not chasing price. I know I'm not chasing price when that happens. So um, I'm hoping that we get a good run to the south side now, so I can go ahead and be done with this. I'm kind of wasn't ready for this first live day trade. I mean, I'm fresh out the gym. Me and my wife, we went to the gym. We worked out this morning. I'm doing better on my Apex than I am over here because I had a better entry on Apex. I got in at a more premium price. I got in around here instead of right here. Let's see. Yep, Apex is around 380 per account now, and I only got 8 contracts on Apex. I don't have 10. I only have 8. You're probably wondering, well, if you're gonna do 10 contracts and it's $2 per contract, why don't you just do the other NAS? The one that costs $20 per contract. Well, sometimes I like to kind of inch in my position. $2 at a time, like $2 at a time. $2 at a time. Like if I want to add to this now, this is $16 a point because it's 8 contracts, right? If I want to add to this now, I can add, 2 more and then 2 more. And I'll be at 18, $20, $22 a point. I don't like to have to go in as heavy because sometimes I only put one foot out and then I put the rest of my position on as it's going in my favor. That's my little secret to jumping in a little lighter, and just filling out the market, to see what is it really trying to say to me, where is it really trying to go. That's what I like to do. Now, of course, there's gonna be people to watch this and say, man, you should just, because commission fees, you should just do the regular NAS instead of the MNQ. Just do the NQ instead of the micro E mini. Just do the NQ instead of the micro E mini, and that's cool. I mean, if that's what you like, if that's what floats your boat, hey brother, nothing wrong with that, bro. Nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with that. But I just like to roll the dice the way I like to roll them, And really, it's not rolling dice; it's just probabilities. Like right now, let the trade run.